Hey guys, welcome back. This is Freddie King's Home Decor. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my formal living room. I want to show you what that looks like before I pull out everything and transform to spring. Spring, of course, is here. Everyone is bringing out their spring products, putting them out, doing spring designs, and I too want to do the same. So before I change everything that's here, I just want to show you what the current living room looks like before I take it all away and make a new design. I want to take this opportunity again to thank those who subscribe to my channel. If you are not a subscriber, please consider joining Freddie King's Home Decor team. Here are the before pictures of the living room. Our entire house is an open concept. To the far right, you can get a glimpse of the master bedroom door. This shows you a better view of the entire back porch leading to the pool. First, I'm going to show you how the space looks with the shade closed in the daytime. Big reveal is up next. Okay, everyone, that's it. Thanks for your support to the kingdom. That is Freddie King's Home Decor team. If you are not a subscriber, please again take this opportunity to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check your notification bell. You will see me transform this room into the spring design, spring decor. Stay tuned for that as well. I hope you like this video. Please comment, share, like, give the video a thumbs up. And until next time, bye-bye.